Bahala ng spaghetti.
Yan, nagbago ka na talaga ya.
Ha?
Magbago ka na talaga.
Nagbago? Bakit nagbago?
I'm so happy kasi nagbabayad ka na. Sabi ko, wow, nagbayad.
Yun talaga.
Hindi ko
Siyempre,
ina-expect. Kasi tanggap ko na
Mahiya.
talaga na hindi mo siya mabayaran. Pero, sinend ko pa rin yung number. Sayang eh. Ako, wow, nangihingi ng number.
Siyempre, maawa ko sa'yo eh.
Ako, hindi ko nga ina-expect niya eh. Kasi tanggap ko na talaga na hindi mo siya mababayaran eh. Kasi palagi eh. Nagulat ako, gang, ano number mo?
Oo, ma'am,
Kasi
babayaran niya ako.
number, sayang.
Alam ko, babayaran ko yung utang mo sa'yo. Wala ka din. Kasi
Ako
mamasada na ako, mababayaran ko yung utang mo sa'yo.
Naku, ako din daw, yao, sabi ni ate.
Oo.
Oo daw,
Lahat
te.
kayo.
Naku, te, ilista mo na lahat yon.
Kaya nga. Ano?
Para walang walang malakawan.
Ang Beyblade ko. Nandun ang Beyblade ko.
Wala pa. Di ko naman. Sabihan ko mo sa'yo. Sabihin ko. Parang gano'n.
Bilhan mo na lang ng planggana, te, maliit.
Mayroon naman daw sabi ni Brian.
Meron dito. Meron dito.
Kasi pag
Planggana
binilan ko
malaki.
yan ng stadium, te, mabilis lang masira yung stadium, manipis lang.
Oo nga.
Binilan ko yan
Nakapila.
dati si Matthew, nipis, napunit.
Yan nga.
Napunit ako.
Oo, napunit siya, eh, bakal kasi yung Beyblade.
Kaya,
Eh, pag talbog ng yan, di talbog din ng stadium.
Original sa akin, hindi fake.
Ang laki mo na, Kaylee ba? Mas lalo kaya tang tumangkad.
tumangkad yan.
Tayo ka nga, ya.
Hanapin mo.
Hala, ito ka na ni Kaylee. Abot na sa ilong ni Tito. Tingnan mo.
Diba?
Oo. Ang tangkad.
Wala.
Grade 5 pa lang yan, no?
Good time pa lang.
Meron ka palang basketball player na anak.
Malakas uminom ng gatas eh. Gigatas.
Si Matthew hindi madalang gatas, cherry talaga yan. Yung tatay, maliit eh.
Ay namin, walang vlog ng Chiriper.
Oo, palagi man yan. Tapos gatas.
Magbabago ka man
Ay,
yan.
kasi hindi ko na siya pwedeng painumin ng Chiriper kasi baka mag-over ba?
Oo, ayaw. Kasi
Hindi
Hindi,
mabalance.
matangkad na rin kasi yung sa side niyang mama niya, tapos sa'yo pa. Naku, wag na. Hindi rin maganda masyadong matangkad.
Kaya nga, dapat matama lang.
Buti sana kung foreigner kayo.
Diba? Sabi nga ng ng amo na kasi dati.
Oo.
Kasi siyempre nakita niya si Caleb. Bakit ang tangkad daw ni Caleb? Tapos kami, maliliit daw kami. Sabi ng foreigner na over tall daw si Caleb kasi edad niya.
Oo, kasi tayo Pilipino eh. Ma-over talaga pag ganun. Pero wala naman 6-footer din sa atin, no?
Siguro.
Ako. Sabi ko.
Siya.
Siya. Hindi ba, sa side natin ba? Wala naman, no? Ano sa'yo, be?
From 6 single. Mami.
Cash out. Dito mo i-send.
Sabi niya.
Wow, sarap yun na.
Habang kumakain.
Ribs. Yan, no? Sarap.
Asim yan.
Meron ng spaghetti.
Ang dami namin dito, ingredients ng pang spaghetti, kaso lang, tinatamad ako magluto.
Pagluluto sila.
Fresh from the barangay.
Pag spaghetti kapag wala tayong spaghetti.
Ha?
Spaghetti ka. Pag spaghetti, pag uot na ilang spaghetti, tsaka mag-spaghetti.
Kaya nga eh.
Kita, pwede mamasko.
Ano
Hindi,
yun?
ano na kami po.
Bilhin mo sa Matio. Bilhin mo sa Matio. Maganda to.
Sabihin mo yung sa'yo ngayon.
Masko po.
Anong gusto mo pa, Masko?
Pero,
Kutsi.
Matio, gusto mo to?
Eh, alam ko yun eh.
Eh,
Napapanood yun sa TikTok.
400. Ito.
Panood ko na yun eh.
Ay, gusto mo ng ano, diba? I-orderan na lang kita sa Shopee.
May nuno ba sabihin mo? Ng apo?
Gusto
Maganda
niya
man.
damit, jersey, sapatos.
mamaya mag-isandita ka.
Kailan ko si Kalip si Papa.
Ah.
Mag-call ako.
Call ka daw. Doon sa ano niya. Doon ka call sa ano niya. Sa Matthew. Friend ba kayo doon?
Tamakaya ko na pangalan.
Yun yung gamit niya.
Para na yun natin. Oy. Labay.
Nagpirma ka na?
Tinatawag ko na siya. Ayaw.
Natawagan na. Tapos Caleb, ang mismo tawagan mo.
Dalawa na magandang tatawag. Dalawa. Paano kayo mag...
I-off mo. Hindi yan magtatanggap.
Paulan. Wala ka talaga mga bata. Kaya ano?
Antayin mo lang magtawag. 390. Thank you.
Kasama ko ba?
Ay, ano ba yan?
Ang laki ng gasto dyan.
Ha?
Ayan lang.
Sa tayo?
Si Vivian lang. Si Vivian ba? Si Vivian.
Ano yon?
Bakit yung crush ko dyan?
Ha?
Yung crush ko ba? Nakikita mo pa?
Yung, wala na. Huwag ka nang mangarap, taken ka na.
Crush lang naman.
Hindi ko na sila nakikita.
Buy that. Let's play Roblox. Okay.
Wala tag-efikasin.
Yung lana para effective. Baka lilipat din si Kuya mamaya.
Bro, in your back, you see the aircon.
Bakit? Ito kamumog. Kaya na.
Bro,
Kamumog. Ha? Hindi pa kami mahirap eh.
wait.
Yung pulutan lang mahirap.
Ingay na mga kapitbahay ko rin. No? Naririnig nyo?
Ako hindi ko maintindihan.
Ah,
You know ano? Bro, that is so hard. Ano mo sa best service?
Nagising na rin namin kanina mga 12. Wala pa kaming kain. Ay, 12:44 na pala. Ang bilis ng oras.
Bro, 3 kg at 3, ano, 3 lang yung kg. But you wala na
Bitin na yata si ate.
Apo, apo. Okay, salamat.
Kasi, hello.
Oy. Hello.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas
Merry
to. Hey,
Christmas, brother.
yeah. Your water, huh? Water
Huh?
coming in. Brian.
Ha?
Your water, huh?
No. We have water, but I have fever.
You fever. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Ubo. Hot. Ubo.
Ah,
Ubo.
ka.
Okay. Oh, what happened?
I don't know.
What happened?
Maybe
Why are you
the the weather is not good.
bro? That's so
The weather change.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, don't eat now because
Kainin.
yeah,
Ah,
yeah, no good. I see that. I can see that. And Vivian, Joe, everything is okay?
I'm okay.
You can also
You can
Okay.
also
Goodness,
have
what happened?
May allergy.
Oh, allergy.
have allergy.
Okay.
From perfume and from bad smell.
Ah, puppy.
bro?
Two. You have nothing? Come over, eating here.
Huh?
Brian, come eating here.
I'm
No.
tired, bro. My
No,
body is
he's
my
he's
Okay.
body
not
So needs to come back down, bring food.
he's not
Oh,
feeling
that's cool.
good.
Thank you.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, after I eat, he can go. They bring food.
He's
Make
not
the
allowed to go there.
make the
Maybe he
house
can.
Thank you.
make that sport massage.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you,
Bye,
bro.
bye with the feet. With the
Thai massage. Thai massage.
yeah, Thai massage. Exactly.
Yeah, you experience Thai massage, bro. Bro, brother,
Yeah, Thai
brother
massage.
Ringo.
You saw
Uh,
You experience Thai massage?
yes.
bro how?
It's,
3 times.
good, very good. I like
Yeah.
it.
It's so.
Massage good.
Yeah, ate is
Oh, you
massage lady. Ayun, haya ba headache? Sakit ulo.
Yeah.
Sakit ulo.
Spicy. Spicy.
lie.
Spicy. That means you need spicy, bro. That means this. That means you need.
I,
Yeah,
I,
when you repeat next year, you come down.
Came down from.
Vivian, next
Ah.
year. You come.
I don't know because I just it's hard to manage the money,
Yeah.
the millions. I need to pay the the utang first before
Yeah, this is right.
before going to have a vacation and everywhere.
But your lap looks very nice. Well, your lap is nice now.
Yeah.
About Brian, your chicken heart is nice now. Better than before.
Mm.
Better than before.
Yeah, and then I need to save money to build the house there. So I can't I can't decide
I
to
understand. For the
where
chicken.
to visit Davao.
Gang,
Uh,
gang.
uh,
Leave mo na ako kasi nasakit ulo ko.
Alright.
okay.
That's not
Doon mo kayo.
Brother Ingo,
Yeah.
Kuya said
Wait, ma.
you want to take rest because
Ito.
Okay.
he's not feeling well.
Okay.
Sakit ulo ko.
Okay, all the best for you, bro.
Trap mo na yung call mo.
Bye.
Sige, sleep well, Kuya.
Okay.
Ito na lang. So,
No. No, oh. Yes, I see you more. I miss you.
What?
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Long time no see, huh?
Lower the sounds. Minimize it.
Bro, wait. I minimize the sounds. My mom says.
Yeah, karaoke. Overnight.
No, my God! No,
Overnight. Karaoke.
no.
Oh.
The boss.
What did you do last night?
You see the photo?
Boto? Oh,
She,
Yeah.
he posted something.
Do not mess with
Okay.
Boto in Ate ano?
Take a look.
Wait lang. I will check.
kaya ang profile. Kaya ang profile ba? Kanya akong tapan.
Pagani, wait.
Bro. If I have a
Oh,
You see?
yeah, it's so nice.
We always invited all the people coming with foreigner or another
Where is it?
in downtown.
Downtown. It's look like ano.
Martina.
Martina. Is that a resort?
No? The house from the German guy.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's very rich.
A village.
It's very rich.
It look big.
No? Very big.
Very big. Bigger than yours.
Yeah.
Oh,
And this in downtown, very big house. One, two
it's
workers, women were cleaning inside, one man who cut all the flower things. Yeah.
you have a musician. They invited a musician.
Yeah.
Oh, they're rich.
Yeah, they're very rich.
Very rich. Wow.
Me is only so small, but N is so big.
Nah.
Are you gonna mess with me again?
No, don't want food, It's a difference like you and me. Very big.
The house is big, but the land how
They have many
wide it
millions,
is.
they have many millions and many lots. They have in Samar lot a lot. They have in Kalinan, they have here, they have many lots. Houses and lots.
Wow.
Yeah.
We have a resort.
3 car before, 3 car. We have a 3 car. She is a good businesswoman. She is China Filipino.
If this is a white, the blue dress.
No, the wife is another.
Bro.
It's a green T-shirt. The wife
What
looks like
color?
China. Green.
Green.
Nakatalikod na siya. Nag-video ko. Nakatalikod siya.
Wala dito sa picture. It's not here.
No.
He's very old. Like 50 plus.
Hi, KJ Power.
She's rich. She is rich too. Because she knows how to handle the money.
But she said she had diabetes.
No, of course. No, we do.
Always ano, karne na.
Mm. No. Roger. No, separator veriyoruz.
Do not die. You're gonna die. Do not miss the real person. The bro.
You see that, yeah?
Bro.
I'm checking the photos.
Look, Mama, Gwen's with me.
A lot of people yesterday there. Another cycling people only the photo will Donetsk do it. Is you have to the bigger parties in number 50 or 100 people.
Do that, see that?
Yeah,
Sorry, Dad.
yeah, I give it.
Bro.
Need to go.
That's a brain.
Bye.
Okay, Vivian. Donetsk go to Brian.
Do not miss the
Ah,
And I wish you all the best.
and you too. Wish you the best.
And then see you soon.
Yeah.
Minimum next week, because next week is New Year.
Yeah.
I thought you do not
I thought you were going here.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Bye-bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.